will talk about 4 points that you understand why English is important.
यार तुझे इंग्लिश आती है तो कितना सही इंग्लिश बोलती है ना। ऐसा क्या है इंग्लिश में जो इंग्लिश बोल के तू अचीव कर सकती है? और इंग्लिश ये क्यों बोलना है? इंग्लिश इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? क्या आपके मन में भी ऐसा सवाल आते हैं? आई नो यू आर टैलेंटेड, आई नो यू आर स्मार्ट, बट still something wrong. Still you feel stuck. Still you feel nervous just because you can't speak English fluently and confidently. So this video for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Mehak. And today we talk about very important topic, that is why English is important today's time. So before we start, I am just telling you one thing. बहुत से लोग हैं जो इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, बहुत से लोग हैं जो इंग्लिश बोलते भी है बट कम बोलते हैं और थोड़ा सा नर्वस और स्टक फील करते हैं इंग्लिश बोलते टाइम, जस्ट बिकॉज उनके पास कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है, इसलिए नहीं, या इंग्लिश डिफिकल्ट है इसलिए भी नहीं, जस्ट बिकॉज कि लोग उन्हें जज करेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे अगर उन्होंने गलत इंग्लिश बोल दिया तो. सो today's video we talk about why English is important today's time. So without wasting time, let's begin our video. So let's understand why English is important today's time. Let's start it. So now I am talking about 4 different points that you understand why English is important today's time. So number 1 is English gives you a better opportunities. Yes. So let's be honest. Today's time English is very important. And English is not an option. English is a basic skills. Everyone knows English today's time. So if you want a good job, career options, and better opportunities or better salary, so you must speak English. At least you know basic English. English is everywhere. English help you to connect everyone. Even if you are intelligent, very intelligent, but you can't speak English and you can't express your ideas in English, so people don't see your true potential. People only see how to speak your English and how to know how to know English. People don't see your potential. People don't see how you are talented. People only see how you can speak English and how you know English. That's it. So you must speak English today's time. You at least basic English. You know English. So let's talk about number 2. And number 2 is English gives you a confidence. Yes. Have you ever thought the person who speak English very well and who speak English confidently, so he looks very confident in front of everyone, right? Because he speak English, that's why he looks confident. English change yourself. English change you. The way you speak, the way you talk, the way you walk, and the way you speak English in front of everyone. People listen you carefully because you speak English. Because today's time, everyone wants to speak English. Everyone wants to know English. And everyone wants to fluent in English. So सब आपको सुनेंगे क्योंकि आपको English आती है. So English gives you a confident. And confident not come for perfection. Confident come for you speak English without fear. You speak English without hesitation and without fearness. English come from you speak English with courage and confident. So just confident and speak English. So now number 3 is English connect you all over the world. Because nowadays English is a global language. हर कंट्री में हर जगह इंग्लिश यूज होती है. अगर आपको हिंदी आती है, मराठी आती है या कोई भी लैंग्वेज आती है और आप किसी और कंट्री में या कहीं जाते हो तो आपको वो लैंग्वेज काम नहीं आती, आपको इंग्लिश काम आती है क्योंकि हर कंट्री में आज इंग्लिश बोली जा रही है. सो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड every people use English. So you must know English. At least you understand English. If you use social media, internet, phone, any kind of platform, उधर भी English है. So you started speaking English and you listen English podcast, English videos, music. So get started speaking English and you must at least understand English because everywhere is English. So आपको थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ आना चाहिए, चाहे आप जवाब ना दे पाओ बट आपको समझ आनी चाहिए. So now number 4 is many people think कि अगर मैं इंग्लिश बोल रही हूँ तो शो ऑफ के लिए बोल रही हूँ. नो भाई, इंग्लिश शो ऑफ के लिए नहीं बोलता कोई. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है शो ऑफ करने का, बट इफ यू वांट अ गुड जॉब, इफ यू वांट अ हाई पे सैलरी, एंड इफ यू वांट अ हाई पोस्ट, तो you must be know English. So you learn English, you have to learn English. तो कभी इंग्लिश शो ऑफ के लिए कोई नहीं बोलता. So don't think English is showing off. English is just a basic knowledge today's time. आजकल का बच्चा बच्चा इंग्लिश बोलता है. इवन 4 to 5 years ओल्ड चाइल्ड भी इंग्लिश बोलता है. सो आप देख सकते हो कि इंग्लिश कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है टुडेस टाइम. सो दैट्स इट. प्लीज स्टार्ट इंग्लिश. एटलीस्ट स्मॉल स्टार्ट. Just start speaking small sentences, not sentences, small words. Speak slowly. Keep practicing every day and start speaking. So that's it today. And keep with me. If you like the video, please follow, subscribe, and like the video, comment the video, and stay tuned. Let's meet today's next video. Bye bye.